Hello students, welcome back to the new video of our maths lesson number 9, halves and quarters. So last video I had explained page number 76 and 77 and two questions I told to complete by yourself. I hope all are completed. Today all of them open page number 78. Listen students, this answers here there is place given, so I have to write here only. So this we can't make PDF, and it is not possible to type all these workbook questions. So please see the question in your workbook very clearly, you can see, and listen the audio and answer the questions. First listen the audio, then you have to fill up the answers in that particular place. So in this question, weight balancing, the pictures of different weights are shown below. Your teacher already had explained about the halves, quarters, etc. in the textbook videos. So I hope everybody knowing 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kg equal to 1000 grams, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, etc. So half meter means 50 centimeter, 1 quarter means, or 1 upon 4 meter means 25 centimeter, 3 quarters means 75 centimeter, and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So same way we can say 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So half kg means 500 grams. 3/4 kg means 750 grams, and 1/4 kg means 250 grams. So with the help of this, if you are knowing all these things, then it will be easy for you to fill up. So here the pictures of, you can see here some weights are given. 1 kg weight. When you will go to the shops, grocery shops or vegetable vendors, etc., you can see they are having this type of metallic discs having the weight. So suppose you will say 1 kg onion or potato. If you will purchase from the vegetable vendor, they will keep this type of weights in balance, and one pan they will put the vegetables, and the pointer will be steady, then they will take that quantity. So that thing is the weight. So here it is given 1 kg, and here its denomination given small one. Suppose you want 100 grams, so 50 grams small weights are there, 100 grams weight is there, 250, so 100 plus 50, and here 250 grams weight is there, 200 grams weight is there. So according to that, if the people are asking I want 400 grams or 450 grams or 250 grams, so they are having small weights also to measure the substances. In the shops also you can see this type of weights. So here 200 gram weight, 50 gram weight, then 200 gram, 50 and 100. Suppose we want 750, we can plus this and we can find out the answer. Or if you want 500 grams, which one will be easy, that you can take. So this way. Now with the help of these weights, we can match the following questions. So look at in your own workbook and listen my audio, then you can fill up the answer. On the basis of weights, match the following columns. Left side, column 1, given 1 kg. 1 kg equal to 1 kg means actually how many grams? It is 1000 grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So on the right side, which will be matching when we will plus, you can see second number. I had drawn the line also. When you will plus 500 plus 250 plus 200 plus 50. So all these weights are here given. So we can select and do that. So 500 plus 250, 750, 750 plus 200, 950, 950 plus 50, 1000. So 1 kg means how many? 1000 grams. So it is first question A will be matching with second number on column 2. Now question B, half kg. Half kg means 500 gram. So which denominations we can take here from the weights? 250 gram plus 200 gram plus 50 gram. So 250 plus 200, 450, 450 plus 50, 500. So half kg meaning is 500 gram. So second B will be matching with right side third number, this one. So I had drawn the line. Now see, 3/4 kg. Half kg means 500 gram. Quarter kg means 250 gram. So 3/4 kg meaning is 500 plus 250, 750. So 3/4 kg meaning is 750 grams. So you look at here, 500 plus 200, 700, 700 plus 50, 750. So which will be the matching one? C will be matching with the fourth number on column 2. Now in this D, 2/5 gram. 2/5 meaning is when we will take the denominators. 250 meaning is 2/5 or 2/5 kg meaning is 400 gram. So look at here, 250 plus 100, 350, 350 plus 50, 400. So I had written here for your reference 400 gram. How you will get? This is the factor 2/5 given. So if we will take its equivalent fraction, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So 4/10 will get. So 4/10 meaning is 400/1000. So here 400. So 400 gram meaning is 2/5 kg. So here you have to match 250 plus 100 plus 50. So please, when I am explaining, you don't do it. Just listen the video 1 or 2 times, then you can write. We cannot type all these workbook questions. So again I am repeating, some parents are saying it is not able to see. So you can see in your own workbook very clearly printed. From that I had taken this photo. So I have to write small, then only I can fill in this column. So what you have to do, you listen the question carefully. The teacher explains the numbers, that also listen carefully. Then you can complete your work. Now next question, meter and centimeter. So here also in this chapter teacher had already explained 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, half meter equal to 50 centimeter, 1/4 meter equal to 25 centimeter, 3/4 meter equal to 75 centimeter. So with the help of that you can fill up. So first question is fill in the blank. 1 meter equal to, 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So I had written here 100. B, half meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So half meter means half of 100 is 50. So 50 centimeter. Then C, 1/4 meter. 1/4 meter equal to half of 50 equal to 25. So 1/4 meaning is 25 centimeter. Now half meter plus 1/4 meter. Half meter is how much? 50 centimeter. 1/4 meter is how much? 25 centimeter. So half meter plus 1/4 meter equal to 3/4. So 3/4 meter meaning is 50 plus 25. I had shown here the method 50 plus 25 equal to 75 centimeter. So easy method is half meaning is 50, 1/4 means 25. So half plus 1/4. Half meaning is you can write 1/4 plus 1/4 equal to half. So 3/4 means 1/4, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 equal to 3 upon 4. So here short form is 3 upon 4 and its number will become 75 centimeter. Now same way 1/4 meter plus 1 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1/4 meter equal to 25 centimeter. So what will be the answer? 125 centimeter. So its short form is 5 upon 4. How 5 upon 4? 1/4 meaning is 1 upon 4 meter. First we will plus 1 integer 1 upon 4. 1 fraction. It is a mixed number. So 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 upon 4. So this you will study in higher class. For the time being, you write 5 upon 4. You will study in next year this conversion of mixed fraction, etc. So here 1/4 plus 1 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1/4 meter equal to 25 centimeter. So 100 plus 25, 125 centimeter. So simply you can write 1 meter plus 1/4 meter equal to 1 integer 1 upon 4. So please students listen carefully and then you have to do it. Now next question. Page number 79. So page number 79 you can see now. Liter and milliliter. So students see 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So here one bottle is given 1 liter. You are taking the cool drinks, then juices, etc. Water, 1 liter bottle is available. So you can see 1 liter, half liter milk packets are available, etc. So here this boy Mohan bought 1 liter of juice. He wants to share it with his 3 friends. So he gave 1/4 liter of juice to each of his friends. So there were 4 students, Mohan and his 3 friends. So he brought 1 liter juice and he was sharing with his friends. So he had taken 4 glasses, 3 glasses for his friends and remaining he will drink. So our question is, Each glass capacity is 250 ml. Here also 250 ml. So when we will plus all for 250 ml, we will get 1 liter, that is 1000 ml. So with the help of this picture, you can answer the following question. So now answer the following question. First one, how many milliliters of juice does each bottle have after sharing? So his first question, how many milliliters of juice does each bottle have after sharing? So he is sharing to this one, this one, this one. So how much will be in after sharing? 250 ml will be there. So next question, how many milliliters of juice does Mohan drank? So he had shared to 3 friends 250 ml, 250 ml, 250 ml. So when we will plus 250 plus 250 plus 250, 750. So remaining how much it will be there? 250 ml. So that he drank. So each glass or each bottle he filled 250 ml for each friend, and remaining last bottle or last glass 250 ml was there, so he had taken that. Now next question, how many milliliters of juice in total does his friends drank? So they how many friends were there? 3, and each friend had taken 250 ml. So when we will plus 250 plus 250 plus 250, I had written here addition. So answer is 750 ml. So 3 friends together taken 750 ml. Remaining 250 ml Mohan also had taken. So 750 ml plus 250 ml, we will get 1000 ml. 1000 ml equal to 1 liter. So these are the answers. So first one is 250 ml. Second answer is also 250 ml. Third answer is 750 ml. Now here one question. Before answering this question, one table given. Sonali went to a market to buy vegetables. The shopkeeper told the price list of various vegetables, which is shown here. So in this box, that shopkeeper told some particular vegetables in the shop per kg. So tomato 10 rupees kg, potato 12 rupees kg, onion 8 rupees kg, carrot 18 rupees kg, and pumpkin 16 rupees kg. So with the help of this table or the price list, there are some questions on the next page that we will solve it. So you have to remember which vegetable, how much will be the price. So we will do the next page, the answers related to this. So on the basis of the price list, answer the following questions. What is the total cost of 1/4 kg of potato and 3/4 kg of onion? So students, please see the table carefully, then only you can answer that. So here I had written in short so you can clearly see. Potato 1 kg 12 rupees. So 1/4 kg means 12 divided by 4 equal to 3 kg. Sorry, 3 rupees. So 3 fours are 12. So 1 upon 4 meaning is 1/4. So total 4 parts are there. So one part is 3 rupees. Then potato 3/4 kg, sorry, uh, potato is 3 rupees, 1/4 kg. Now 3/4 kg of onion. Onion, it is, what is the price list of onion? Onion 8 rupees 1 kg. So here 3/4 kg the student, that girl is purchasing. So what we will do? 3/4 multiplied by 8. 8 is the 1 kg rate, and 3/4 kg means we can do like that. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. So equal to 3/4. So 1/4 kg equal to 2 rupees. So half kg equal to 4 rupees. So 3/4 kg equal to 6 rupees. So 3/4 kg of onion equal to 6 rupees. 1/4 kg of potato is 3 rupees. So total cost, our question is, what is the total cost of these two? Equal to 3 plus 6 rupees 9. So direct 9 I am not written. I had shown how we got the answer also. And I had explained. If you didn't understand, listen carefully. The teacher explained, then you do it. So the total cost of 1/4 kg of potato and 3/4 kg of onion is 3 rupees plus 6 rupees equal to 9 rupees. Now, which costs more? 3/4 kg of onion or half kg of carrot? So, what is the onion cost 1 kg? 1 kg onion is 8 rupees. So, we had already knowing onion, 3/4 kg of onion is how many rupees? 6 rupees. And carrot total cost is 18 rupees. So 1 kg 18 rupees. So half kg means 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 2s are 18. So 9 rupees. So what is half kg of carrot? 9 rupees. 3/4 kg of onion is 6 rupees. So which is costing more? Half kg of carrot costs more because it is 9 rupees. And 3/4 kg of onion is only 6 rupees. So our question is, which is more? So here I had written half kg of carrot cost more. Now see, if he has only rupees 60 with him, can he buy all given vegetables, each 1 kg? So for that you have to refer the previous page. So instead of that I had written all the price list here plus it. Tomato 10 rupees, onion 8 rupees, potato 12 rupees, carrot 18 rupees, pumpkin 16 rupees. So this all we will plus together. Total rupees will be 64. But that boy is having how many? Only 60 rupees. The total cost is 64. So more rupees he needed. So what is the question here? Can he buy? So answer is no. He cannot buy all in each kg, because if he will purchase all these items 1 kg, then 64 rupees he has to pay. But he is having in his pocket only 60 rupees. So answer is no. He cannot buy all. Now, if he buys half kg of pumpkin, 3/4 kg of potato and 1/4 kg of tomato, then how much amount will he be give to the shopkeeper? So 1 kg of pumpkin is 16 rupees. So half kg of pumpkin equal to 8 rupees. 1 kg of potato is 12 rupees. So 3/4 kg of potato is 3/4 kg of potato is 9 rupees. Then 1/4 kg of tomato. Tomato is 10 rupees. So 1/4, 1 kg tomato is 10 rupees. So 1/4 kg of tomato equal to 2 rupees 50 paise. Because 5 rupees, half kg is 5 rupees. So half of 5 is 2.50. So 1/4 meaning is half, 1/4 plus 1/4 equal to half. Half kg is 5 rupees. 1 kg is 10 rupees. Half kg is 5 rupees. So 1/4 kg may equal to half of 5, that is 2 rupees 50 paise. We will write in short form 2.50. Now our question is, what is the total amount he has to pay to the shopkeeper? So here pumpkin, half kg pumpkin is 8 rupees. 3/4 kg of potato is 9 rupees. 1/4 kg of tomato is 2 rupees 50 paise. So we will plus 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 rupees 50 paise. So we can write in point rupees 19.50. So students, listen all these questions. First listen, teacher is reading and explaining step by step. So listen, then you can do it. So remaining part I will do in the next period. So today you have to complete this